Okay, we have a KTM 400 with the standard no-cost feature of a broken oil filter cover bolt. I'm going to try it initially with the cover still on because it broke when it was being tightened up, and sometimes I'm lucky enough to get them without them being too difficult. So number one golden rule, don't overthink your repair. And this one's not going to be one of those. Alright, we shall change drill bits and come back. And okay, we've changed drill bits. So what we're doing here is we are going to get that out of the way for the moment. We're going to try and pick up centre in the bolt. Got a bigger drill bit than what I actually want at the moment because it helps me get centre easier. Now we'll change that drill bits again. Let's see if we can pick up on this. Okay. Turn this off again. Okay, really little drill bits. Oh, really? It tried to wind itself in with the really little drill bit. So now we'll go to the exact opposite. Wants to be hard to get along with. Okay. Did you see it disappear down hole in? Okay. Let's go and get an extractor. Okay, we'll see if this extractor gets in here and does it. Don't overthink your repairs is the secret. Every time you overthink your repair, you make small jobs big. There we go. Exhibits all the classic failure signs of a over tightened bolt because it's stretched in here. You see these two threads here are elongated where it's yielded and it's necked down. I don't know if you can see it, but it's necked down. So job done, just to clean it up, and it'll be pretty ready to go. So here we are looking at the one that's broken and the one that's not broken. And if you look at the one that's not broken, if you look at the top three threads, you'll see where the gaps opened up between the thread peaks. and that's where it has exceeded its yield strength, and it's all but ready to break. So yeah, we need 2 new bolts in this one, not just one.